Hey guys, what's going on? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this really simple origami slice of pizza. And this is the model that I showed in my tessellated ninja star tutorial. And yep, and in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fold this origami slice of pizza. And it's super simple to fold. So here we go. Okay, so for this model, I'm going to use a 6-inch square of kami. But you could use a sheet of printer paper cut square. So let's begin right side up and let's fold in half. Try to make very precise folds and crease sharply. Unfold and now make a kite base, so fold to the crease like this. And repeat on this side. Alright, now fold this up like this. Okay, unfold, and now let's tuck it behind, or underneath like this, just like that. Okay, and we're almost done, can you believe it? Turn over, and we're gonna make the crust. So, we're gonna fold this up, all layers. This is to taste, about like this is good. Okay, like this. And now if you just want straight crust, then you can go ahead and you can fold these flaps behind like this. And there's your pizza, like this. But if you want to kind of make the crust like this, more realistic looking, by curving it a little bit, then here's how to do that. So this is another fold to taste. We're just going to make like a little pleat just on the crust. So just kind of just open here. And just make a little pleat like this, and we're just going to kind of alter the paper. About like this. This is to taste. Do it however you want. And then you can crease this sharp. You can really make the crust however you'd like, actually. and now make sure, and yeah, still make sure that this edge is beyond this edge. Now fold that behind like this. So that way when we fold it behind, the crust is connected. Alright, and now fold this part behind right on that existing crease. Like that. And now repeat on this side. So choose where you want your pleat to be. Maybe I'll make it right here, close to the middle. And then once you did it, alter the paper as you're making the pleat. This is the hardest step, by the way. And make sure that this is beyond this edge. Okay? And now fold this, just turn over and just fold it behind like this. Alright, and now fold this back on the crease. Yeah, it helps to do it on a flat surface. Alright, and there it is. And maybe you can three-dimensionalize the crust by just pinching it. You can just put a mountain fold that goes through it. Like this. It'll make it stand out better. So yeah, there it is. There is our super simple to fold slice of pizza. And that is the easiest way to cook pizza in origami. Okay, so yep, there it is. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed folding this, and make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Alright, Happy New Year.